Hello everybody, Zachary Fruling, aka Cozy Azeroth here. I am working my way through all 101 programs from the book 101 Programming Tips and Tricks for the Texas Instruments TI-99 4A Home Computer by Len Turner. One of my favorite programming books for TI Basic on the TI-99 4A when I was a kid back in the early 80s. I am on program number 29, Super Reverser. I'm going to read the program description, which is very brief, get into the Classic 99 emulator, a very nice emulator for the TI-99 4A, get into TI Basic, type in the program, run it, and see what we can learn from it, see what we can make it do. So without further ado, let's dive in. Program number 29, Super Reverser. Enter any word or number and find it reversed on the display. After a run, the computer awaits your press of any key to do another. So very succinct program description. Let's get into TI Basic. Okay, 10 call clear. 20 input. Word/number, and I think we just have a, it's strange, it looks like there are two spaces there. I'm not sure exactly why. Let's just do one space since there's no great way to tell how many spaces that's supposed to be. Okay, colon and in string. Okay, 30. If in string equals blank, then 20. In other words, we don't accept blank inputs. 40. L equal, oops, excuse me, just forgot to type the line number. 40 L equals length of in string. 50 print reversed. Okay, and then we have quote and semicolon. 60 for y equals L. Y equals L to 1, step minus 1. Notice we're counting in reverse, starting at L and going down to 1 in increments of 1. Okay, 70. B string equals segment in string comma y comma 1. Okay, 80. Print B string semicolon. 90 next y. 100 print. 110 for k equals 1 to 10. 120 print. Just giving ourselves 10 extra lines here, it looks like. 130, next k. I don't know why we're using k as a variable. Again, lots of arbitrary variables in these early TI Basic programs. Okay, 140, print press any key to do more. I don't think we're using punctuation, no. Okay, and finally we get a call key statement. A great many times in this book so far, we've used regular input statements in place of call key statements, and frankly, call key is a little more elegant. So, call key, oops, typos, 0, z, x. 0, z, x. 160 if x equals 0. then 150. In other words, this loop just repeats until we get a key press. 170, B string equals blank. This resets the input. B string equals blank. And 180 go to 10. Alright, super reverser. Let's clear the screen and let's list out the program, looking for any obvious errors. Doesn't mean there aren't any errors because I don't happen to see one. Everything looks okay at a glance. Let's run it and see how we did. Word or number. Let's do Cozy Azeroth. There we go. Press any key to do more. Let's do another one. How about Zachary? C-A-C-H-A-R-Y in reverse. Y-R-A-H-C-A-Z. Let's do my full name, Zachary Fruling. Neil Herf. I love it. Okay. Let's do my girlfriend's name, Susan. Nasus. Okay. Let's do my sister's name, Amber. Redma. Let's do NCC 1701. There you go. Star Trek fans out there. We could just do numbers. Let's do, I don't know, what's a sequence of numbers? We just had September 11th, so 09/11/2001. There you go. That's the sequence in reverse. What else could we type in? Remember to like and subscribe. There you go. Thank you for watching. There you go. That's thank you for watching in reverse. So this is the Super Reverser program. Let's do a couple more. This is fun. How about Twitch? YouTube? All these things we wouldn't have typed in 40 years ago. Google? Elgoog? Facebook? Kubasaf. I like it. Kubasaf. How about some philosophers' names? Socrates. Sitarchos. I like it. Plato. Otalp. Aristotle. El Tutsira. How about Nietzsche? Eckstein. Foucault. Jean-Paul Sartre. And while we're in French territory, Jean-Luc Picard. Let's see, what's another philosopher we could use that would be interesting? John Locke. École Noge. Let's see, who else could we do? Martin Heidegger. Regedi Nitram. I love it. Let's see, what's another one? I don't know. Who else could we use? Marcus Aurelius. Lerua Sucram. Oh, I don't know. Pythagoras? Okay, that's quite enough of that. Let's end the program. We're going to list it out one more time for posterity here. And yeah, that is program number 29, Super Reverser from 101 Programming Tips and Tricks for the Texas Instruments TI-99 for a home computer by Len Turner. If you are watching this live on Twitch, be sure to check out my YouTube channel. You can find it under my real name, Zachary Fruhling, or under Cozy Azeroth. In fact, let me type in Cozy Azeroth here one more time. There we go, Cozy Azeroth. And if you're watching this on YouTube, check out the rest of my YouTube channel for more TI-99 4A content, retro programming, retro gaming, lots of World of Warcraft live streaming, and miscellaneous educational content on various topics of interest to me professionally and personally. And in either platform, Twitch or YouTube, please remember to like and subscribe. Subscriptions really do help me out in these difficult times. I'm going to end on my name here, Zachary Fruhling. And there you go, that's my name in reverse. Thank you very much. Remember to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next video. The next video, we are up to number 30, the next program I mean, marching numbers. I don't know what that is yet. I don't quite remember from when I was a kid, so we're going to type in marching numbers next time. In any case, be sure to check out the previous videos in this stream and all the ones coming up. We're going to do all 101 programs from this book, 101 Programming Tips and Tricks for the Texas Instruments TI-99 4A home computer. Thank you very much. I'll catch you in the next video.